Under Hong Kong law, metal gates are classified as building works. For new buildings, they must be included in submitted plans. In existing buildings, gates taller than 3.2 meters require approval, including structural design details. Smaller metal gate works in existing buildings may qualify under the Minor Works Control System. This allows simplified approvals, but qualified contractors must still supervise the work to ensure proper construction and compliance. Safety is paramount in gate design. Compliance with wind load codes, structural stability of posts and foundations, and anti-derailment features are essential. Specific attention is required for swing and sliding gate mechanisms. For safety, drilled-in anchors must undergo pull-out tests. Electrically operated gates follow separate standards outlined by the EMSD, which ensure safe automation of gates and shutters in various settings. To deepen your understanding of building regulations, join our structured courses. From practical tasks to interview strategies, our programs are designed to help you excel, especially if you're preparing for a government surveyor role.